Welcome back to Dude's Tech. Today we're diving into the top 5 best CPU coolers on the market. Whether you're a gamer, a content creator, or a PC builder looking to boost your system's performance, having a high-quality CPU cooler is crucial to maintaining efficiency and preventing overheating. Let's jump right into our lineup. Kicking off our list at number 5 is the Iwongou X99 CPU cooler. The Iwongou X99 CPU cooler is designed to provide effective cooling solutions for computer enthusiasts and gamers alike. With a focus on noise reduction and efficient heat dissipation, this cooler aims to maintain optimal CPU temperatures while offering a quiet operation. This video, we delve into the pros and cons of the Iwongou X99 CPU cooler to help you decide if it's the right choice for your system. Pros. PS. Noise reduction design. One of the standout features of the Iwongou X99 is its noise reduction capability. Operating at a noise level of just 20 dBA, it promises a quiet computing experience, which is ideal for gamers or professionals who require minimal distractions while working. Effective heat dissipation. The cooler utilizes a U-shaped pure copper heat pipe with mirror HDT polishing. This design allows it to fit seamlessly with the CPU, facilitating rapid heat conduction. This means your CPU stays cooler under load, potentially extending its lifespan. 4 pure copper tubes. Equipped with 4 pure copper vacuum heat pipes that directly contact the CPU, the Iwongou X99 enhances thermal transfer efficiency. This direct contact minimizes thermal resistance, allowing heat to be transferred quickly and effectively to the heat pipes and fins. Reliable performance. With a rotating speed of 1800 RPM 10%, the cooler balances effective airflow and noise levels, providing reliable performance without overwhelming your setup with sound. Cons. Average aesthetics. Some users may find the design of the Iwongou X99 to be somewhat plain compared to more visually striking coolers on the market. If aesthetics are important to you, this cooler might not make a significant impression in a custom build. The Iwongou X99 CPU cooler presents a solid option for users seeking an effective, quiet cooling solution for their AMD systems. Its noise reduction design, excellent heat dissipation, and straightforward installation process make it an appealing choice for both gamers and professionals. Coming in at number 4, we have the Powertrain Z6000 CPU cooler. In the world of PC building and performance enhancement, choosing the right CPU cooler can make a significant difference in your system's efficiency and longevity. The Powertrain Z6000 CPU cooler promises to deliver high performance and effective heat management with a range of innovative features. This video will explore the pros and cons of the Powertrain Z6000, helping you determine if it's the right fit for your cooling needs. Pros. Excellent heat management. The 6 heat pipes ensure efficient heat absorption and transfer, making the Z6000 capable of handling high thermal loads up to 220 W. This feature is particularly beneficial for overclockers or users with high-performance CPUs. Aesthetic appeal. The ARGB fan adds a visually appealing element to any build, allowing users to customize their setup with vibrant lighting effects that can sync with other RGB components. Quiet operation. Thanks to the Leifu bearings and intelligent temperature control, the cooler operates quietly, ensuring that users can enjoy a peaceful computing experience without excessive noise from the cooling system. User-friendly installation. The buckle bracket design and compatibility with mainstream platforms make installation straightforward, reducing the complexity often associated with CPU cooler setups. Timely temperature alerts. The high temperature warning display provides an added layer of safety, alerting users to potential overheating issues before they become critical, helping to protect the CPU. Cons. RGB control limitations. While the ARGB feature is attractive, users without compatible motherboards may miss out on some functionality and customization options, as some features may require specific hardware support. The Powertrain Z6000 CPU cooler stands out as a high-performance cooling solution that combines efficient heat management with aesthetic appeal. Its features, including 6 heat pipes, ARGB lighting, and user-friendly installation, make it a compelling option for both gaming and productivity builds. At number 3, the Metalfish ZH-1400 CPU cooler. The Metalfish ZH-1400 CPU cooler combines modern aesthetics with advanced thermal technology, making it an attractive option for PC builders and gamers alike. With its infinity mirror cover and ARGB fan, the ZH-1400 not only promises efficient cooling but also adds a touch of style to your setup. This video is a detailed analysis of the pros and cons of the CPU cooler. Pros: effective cooling performance. The ZH-1400 features 4 heat pipes that make direct contact with the CPU, facilitating efficient heat conduction and dissipation. This design ensures that your CPU maintains optimal temperatures even during intense gaming sessions or demanding workloads. Stylish infinity mirror cover. The cooler boasts an infinity mirror cover that adds a visually striking element to your build. This feature not only enhances the aesthetics of your setup but also complements the overall theme of RGB lighting, making it ideal for users who value both form and function. ARGB lighting. Equipped with an Iwongou X99 ARGB fan, the ZH-1400 offers customizable lighting effects that can synchronize with other RGB components in your system. The 4-pin PWM ARGB setup allows for dynamic lighting options, letting you create a personalized atmosphere in your gaming rig. Versatile fin bending process. The fin bending process utilized in the cooler maximizes airflow and heat dissipation. This ensures that the cooler can maintain performance even under high loads, which is crucial for gamers and content creators who push their hardware to the limit. Options for upgrading. For users looking for more performance, the ZH-1600 version offers 6 heat pipes, providing an even greater cooling capacity. This gives consumers the flexibility to choose the right model for their specific cooling needs and CPU configurations. Cons: noise levels. Depending on the system load, the cooler's fans may produce noticeable noise, especially under heavy use. Users seeking a completely silent operation may need to look into additional noise reduction options or consider different cooling solutions. The Metalfish ZH-1400 CPU cooler stands out with its unique design and effective cooling capabilities, making it a solid choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts who prioritize both aesthetics and performance. With features like direct CPU contact heat pipes, customizable ARGB lighting, and a striking infinity mirror cover, it enhances any build's visual appeal. In the second spot, we have the Jonsbo CR 1400 V2 CPU cooler. When it comes to CPU coolers, striking the right balance between performance, aesthetics, and size is essential for any PC builder. The Jonsbo CR 1400 V2 CPU cooler aims to achieve this balance with its innovative design and upgraded features. In this video, we will explore the pros and cons of the Jonsbo CR 1400 V2 to help you decide if it's the right choice for your cooling needs. Pros: efficient cooling performance. The optimized heat pipe design, which boosts deheating efficiency by 25%, ensures that the CPU remains cool even under load, making it suitable for moderate gaming and productivity tasks. Aesthetic appeal. The double-zone lighting effects and stylish axial fan design provide an eye-catching look that can enhance any build, particularly in cases with transparent panels. Compact size. At just 133 mm tall, the Jonsbo CR 1400 V2 is ideal for users with smaller cases or those looking to create a compact system without sacrificing cooling performance. Durability. The nickel-plated heat pipes not only prevent oxidation but also contribute to the cooler's longevity, ensuring consistent performance over time. Low noise levels. With its low-noise design, the cooler operates quietly, allowing users to enjoy a peaceful computing experience without excessive fan noise. Cons: limited cooling capacity. While the CR 1400 V2 performs well for moderate use, it may not be sufficient for high-performance CPUs, especially in extreme overclocking scenarios where more robust cooling solutions are necessary. The Jonsbo CR 1400 V2 CPU cooler presents an appealing option for users seeking a compact, efficient cooling solution with stylish aesthetics. Its nickel-plated heat pipes, enhanced cooling efficiency, and low-noise operation make it a solid choice for moderate workloads. However, those with high-performance CPUs or extreme overclocking ambitions may need to look for more robust alternatives. Overall, The Jonsbo CR 1400 V2 strikes a commendable balance between performance and design, making it a worthwhile consideration for compact builds and users who prioritize aesthetics alongside functionality. And finally, at number 1, we have the DeepCool AK500S CPU Cooler.S. The DeepCool AK500S CPU cooler is designed to deliver efficient cooling performance while enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your gaming rig. With a sleek design and advanced features tailored for modern processors, this cooler aims to meet the demands of gamers and PC enthusiasts alike. In this video, we'll explore the pros and cons of the DeepCool AK500S to help you determine if it's the right choice for your cooling needs. Pros: attractive aesthetics. The cooler's stylish design, featuring ARGB lighting and a sleek black finish, enhances the overall look of any gaming setup, appealing to users who prioritize aesthetics. Optimized for latest processors designed specifically for the latest Intel and AMD processors, the AK500S offers efficient heat dissipation and compatibility, ensuring reliable performance for modern systems. Effective cooling performance. The heat pipe's efficient contact with the CPU core allows for rapid heat transfer, making it suitable for gaming and intensive applications without overheating. Quiet operation. The FDB fans not only provide effective cooling but also operate quietly, minimizing noise disruption during gaming or while working. User-friendly monitoring. The real-time CPU status display is a valuable feature, allowing users to keep track of system temperatures easily and receive timely warnings if overheating occurs. Cons is limited overclocking capability. While the AK500S performs well under normal conditions, it may not provide sufficient cooling for extreme overclocking scenarios where more robust cooling solutions may be necessary. The DeepCool AK500S CPU cooler is a stylish and efficient cooling solution that caters to modern gaming needs. Its attractive design, optimized thermal performance for current processors, and quiet operation make it an appealing choice for gamers and PC enthusiasts. However, those looking to push their CPUs to the limit with extreme overclocking may want to explore more powerful cooling alternatives. Overall, the AK500S strikes a commendable balance between performance and aesthetics, making it a solid addition to any gaming rig.